Okay, hi guys. Basically just going through a little recap of the trade that I've taken, which resulted in plus 2R, right? Um, let's start. So basically, obviously my bias for today was bearish because we were in this bearish fair value gap, right? Then on the hourly, right, I had this fair value gap, which was comprised of basically, let me clear this thing now. Give me a second. And so basically my fair value gap was this over here, which was the 6, 7, and 8 o'clock candle, which is before 9, of course. And the 9 o'clock, as you can see, it went in this fair value gap, respected it. All three vicked. The VIX were above it, but the bodies were closed within the fair value gap, right? When this happened, of course, now, um, I went on the 5 minute and you can see that there was this breaker block, right? This breaker block along with the fair value unicorn with almost no drawdown, and it went and did R2 is to 1. One other thing that can be an added confluence, I didn't really look at it, but I'm just realizing it that this was also the swing point, and this was your also change in the state of delivery that had happened after this thing where the FVG happened. So this was also change in the state of delivery, which can also give us an added confluence next time um, to see how our results kind of pan out. But this was basically the trade to take. The rest were very rubbish price action. Everything was not aligned. CL did, and this just goes to show the level of patience. It's been emotional for the past few days because I haven't had trades. The ones that I did have, I lost two of them in a row, and then obviously I won this. So, which means that obviously I have a better balance to showcase, but also I'm trying my best to stay away from trades. So within this span of, it's been 20 days now, 21 days actually, and I've taken 4 trades now. It's been emotional because today I was feeling very emotional. I wanted to trades. I was getting very bored and sick of just waiting, being patient. But it goes to show that A plus setups, they pan out well. Whereas if you take on a daily basis, you're going to exhaust a lot of mental capital. You need to stick by your rules. You need to stick by your things, which this, and I think in my previous video, I was about to almost give up and say that, okay, no more trades because of this exact thing that was happening over here. And I was just almost on the verge of giving up because I said, I'm just going to close it, but I'm glad I didn't. I waited down the entire thing, gave a very solid unicorn, broke this market structure over here. This was your market structure shift, right? That happened. Sorry, this one there over here was the market structure shift that happened. I'm just going to mark it as MSS, sorry. Um, so that happened, and yeah, there was a lot of confluences, everything coming together, change in state of delivery, which again I don't really take normally. I don't really consider change in state of delivery. It was just an added confluence that happened, which again helps. So the solid setup, good setup that happened, and yeah, secured trade successfully. So this goes to show you have to be patient. You have to just take trades by exhibiting the best of the best of the best and staying objective to price. And I will log off now